What is happening, YouTube? Thanks for watching the channel. This video is about the Hubsan Zino 1.1.50 real world test on the James River with Issac Hall kayaking first break. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the contents, consider supporting the channel by subscribing. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Beautiful day out here in Virginia. So let's take a look what it looks like. This is where I came from. And right over there is where I set up camp to do some filming. And here's my bike. This is what I use to travel here. Yeah, looks like we are ready to roll. Okay, check everything. Okay, so Isaac is right over there. That was a really good start. He is rocking as usual. There he goes. He's going to circle back in. An awesome job. As always, interesting to see how things go. The bottom's looking really pretty today, I should say. And I missed that shot, but got this one. I'm all over the map. This thing's moving around a lot. The app's having problems, but he's doing hand surfing. Moving on me. It's always so nice to see the world from a different angle, right? From the top looking down. It's so different. Well, I find it enjoyable. What do you guys think? Do you guys enjoy it? Looking at it from this angle? Wow, did some really good footage here. Well done, Isaac. Alright, I'm going to pull up to give you guys a different perspective here, a wider view. I'm spinning around to give you guys that visual effect. That was cool. He foiled that Really pretty cool look. Yeah, I would coil the baton, I was going to say, but the paddle at the same time. Woohoo! He is really doing a good job. Man, I am getting some unbelievable good shots from straight above. And the Zino's moving around more than usual, but I'm trying to keep up with it. Okay, so to get back on point. Come on, Zino. Work with me. Okay, so to get back on point on the firmware testing, I mean, the Zino's staying pretty stable. This time the wind is rocking it a little bit. It is definitely moving around a little bit more, and as you guys saw from the previous shots, the camera was moving on me. Like when you're looking straight down, the camera kind of has this glitch where it just jolts. It gives you this visual whiplash. And that's only when the camera is straight down. Time to do some cartwheels here in the shallow water. And take a note, there's a tree in the water there with a branch sticking straight up. It must have got lodged underneath there or some rock and jammed in there. So to give you guys some background, the color setting is normal and it is not set to bright. Oh wow, look at the shadow of the drone there. And that's a pretty cool looking effect. Wow, the bottom's looking so cool. Really is. Really cool looking bottom. Super work. Wow. Amazing. Organizing. I think it's time to follow you down a little bit now. Yeah, saw that hand point. Working down here. Really is looking cool. Okay, so it is looking cool. Okay, just looking at it. Oh wow, check it out. That looked like fun. Wow, the horizon's staying pretty true, but I'm not spinning around very fast. And I'm looking straight down, so I can't really point out anything in the horizon right now in the gimbal. That looks hard. Hello? Oh wow. That was neat. I know he's got to be getting tired. Been paddling for 10 minutes hard. Again, looking at the bottom, it's just so neat to see it from up here looking down. Okay, where'd you go? Time to find it. Just pull up and you can see it. You can see some cool rocks. Okay, where'd you go? I lost you. Cool rocks. Cool water. Well, I lost you, man. I don't know where you went. Oh, there you are. I think. Okay, I don't see it. So what do you guys think? This firmware upgrade is doing its job, don't you think? Is it pretty stable? I can count on it. I'm not worried about losing it anymore. I know it's predictable. I know that if I lose connection to it, all I have to do is turn off the transmitter and I'll come back home. Sometimes the Zino will not come back home if you do not leave. Nope. Totally lost you. Check out all the sunbathers. 39% battery. Richmond is so cool. It's got so many things to offer. So many trails. Yeah. Rapids. It's like 10 minutes from the city. Get on your bike and you're in this area right here. Easy pedaling. This is an old quarry. They used to take out the rock from there to make the buildings. And we're about to reveal the city. That's a cool shot. How's the horizon? Oh, looks pretty good. Traffic. Cool city. Love Richmond. What do you guys think? Nice views, right? Definitely enjoyable. I'm just gonna boogie on back. I know I'm gonna probably be able to see Isaac when I get home and look at the footage on my computer, but I can't see it on my phone right now. Too small, too much sun. rocking and rolling back home. Time to return home. Thank you for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit press thumbs up, and also consider subscribing and supporting the channel. Okay, there I am down there. Wow, that's a pretty cool looking rock under the water there. And there I am. Gotta watch my step around this place. Well done, Zino, well done. What's up, everybody? That was a good flight. Okay, we'll put the camera up and we'll do a hand catch this time. Another hand catch. All right, come on down, Zino. Good job, buddy. Come on back to me. All right, settle down, buddy, and then come on down. I'll catch you. It's always scary, right? Especially with all these logs around here. And this guy walks a little bit. There it is. Got it. Okay. And I gotta remember that the buttons are opposite on this guy. So in conclusion, the firmware upgrade of 1.1.50 is worth doing. It makes the aircraft hover better, a lot more stable, and reliable. It allows you to hand catch it, and it allows you to have confidence in it. You know it's going to get back. So, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video here that I put together here at the end, let me know what you guys think. If that's something you guys like to see at the end or not. Short clip. Thanks again for watching. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.